name is G. Sandeep. I'm from Lively branch. Today's my topic is about solar heating and cooling techniques. Solar heating and cooling techniques is calculated the thermal energy form of sun used for heat to provide hot water, space heating, cooling, and pool heating for residential, commercial, and industrial applications. These technologies displace to use electric and natural gas. Today, Americans across the country are working manufacturing, installing solar and cooling systems significantly reduce our dependency on imported fuels. We need smart pliers to extend the fast-growing job-producing sector. Solar heating. Solar heating system can be divided into two groups: passive solar, active, and solar heating systems. These systems harvest thermal energy from sun and utilize the collector heat from space. Heating purpose are to heat domestic water. Passive solar systems rely on structure of building to collect. These would be in the form of tidal or roof oriented, and the higher solar irradiance on the quantity. Active solar and heating system rely on the heat pumps and transfer, collecting heat from the solar and building. In contrast, the photovoltaic panels are generating electricity, thermal power, solar, and used for capturing the sun utilization, providing abundant commodities. Illustrates an example: solar heating. Normally, these systems are not designed for standalone system due to intermittency of energy source and lack of available storage options. However, these systems can be complementary to existing heating systems provided by natural gas or other source. Solar heating techniques: transport solar air cooler, flat plate solar collectors, evacuated tube solar collectors, concentrated solar system. In addition, the thermal power technologies such as solar photovoltaic models can produce electricity, and build can design to capture passive or solar heating. Unglazed solar collector is one of the simplest form of solar technology. A heating conducting material, usually dark metal, energy to fluid passing through behind heating conducting. The process similar to how garden house laying out in the open will absorb the sun energy and heat the water inside the hose. These collectors described the unglazed because they do not have glass on the collector box to trap heat. The lack of glazing creates the trade-off. Unglazed solar collectors simple and inexpensive, but without a way of trapped heat, they lose heat back to the environment and they operate relative low temperature. This unglazed collector typically works with the small moderate heating applications or complement to traditional heating system when they can reduce fuel burdens by pre-water or air. Solar pool heating collectors. Solar pool heating collectors mostly common on laser solar states. These devices often plastic tubular panels mounted on roof and supports the structure. The pump circulates pool water directly through tubular panels. They returns water to pool at higher temperature. Although with used primarily pool heating, these collectors can also preheat large volume of water from commercial and industrial applications. Sunlight hits the dark metal collector, which heats up, and the circulation air, cold fluid or others air circulates through the collector, absorbed heating. Use the warmer fluid is used for applications such as pool heating. Solar space heating. Solar space heating is a similar solar water heating but generally involves in more collector, large storage units, and more sophisticated design. These heating systems can non-toxic liquid water or air such heat transfer medium for solar collector. The heating liquid or the circulated through building or home provides space heating. Other solar space technology is transpired solar collector along building exterior south facing. The performance in the collector air allows to pass through and be heated, solar heated, and air then channeled into building ventilation system. Solar heating collectors. Solar heating collectors produce heat and different form of photovoltaic modules which use electricity. There are several type collector, flat plate, and most common type used in the US chopper and the fixed object contaminated and insulated box. This is covered with tempered glass or polymer cover plate. Evacuated tube. Collector consists of rope or parallel transmitted glass tube then having evacuated of creating highly effective heat insulator for fluid distance length of a Tube evacuated systems generally we use temperature high volumes of water needed as well as for process heating. Solar air conditioning system. Solar cooling. Solar cooling is a system that converts heat from sun into cooling that used for refrigerator and air conditioner. And solar cooling system collects solar power and use it in thermal driven cooling, and which turns into electricity and control temperature for purpose like generating chilled water or connecting air building. There are many different cooling cycles techniques used for various different principal functions. Three most popular techniques are observing cycles, descent cycles, and solar mechanical cycles. Solar collectors such as solar panels, which is used in converting solar radiation into heat mechanical work. A refrigerator or air conditioning panel that is used to produce the cooling. A heat sinks the collect and reject heat radiance. It's always from the system. In observation, the cooling process as follows: the observer holds absorbent refrigerant mixture that is delivered off the generator through a liquid. The generator tank absorbent refrigerant mixture and heat is usual external solar energy that has been collected through a source such as solar panel. The solution starts to boil and react into heat, turning the water into vapor, which flows condenser. This condenser liquefies the water vapor rejects heat into the process which corrected by the heat sink. The new liquid condensate is directed towards the evaporate through an expansive valve. The final evaporation of the refrigerant at low pressure causes the evaporate to absorb the heat from cool space, creating the coolant effect. Decent cooling effect is liquid absorbed on the vapor and in the releasing heat due to the condensation water exchanging the air introduces the vapor while the diluent descent. However, before the dilute descent, it must pass through liquid and the evaporating or absorb a transfer result from difference in vapor, thus releasing heat due to condensation of water and creating heat exchange. The air is then introduced into space through evaporating cooler further while the diluted descends. However, before the diluted descent can enter a regenerator, it must pass through liquid heat changer and heating coil in order to raise the temperature. Once in the regenerator, the heat diluted descent is exposed into regenerative air, causing moisture to transfer from diluted solution to the air. This transfer is due to create a difference in vapor and pressure. Next, the resulting more concentrated descent passes through the liquid to liquid heat exchanger once again, as well as cooling coil, then moves into dehumidification unit, allowing in the cycle to repeat. Thank you.